Hello creators! In this After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to create this glossy logo reveal. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this logo reveal. Add the logo to the timeline. Scale the logo and pre-compose it. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Add Fill to Logo Composition. Set Fill Color to Black. Create duplicate of logo composition. For duplicate composition, remove fill. Add matte choker. Set geometric softness to 5. Choke 1 to 90. Softness 1 to 12%. Iteration to 2. Select both compositions. Pre-compose them. Name it as Logo Matte. Add the reflection media to the timeline. Hide logo matte composition. Add logo composition to the timeline. For reflection, change track matte to alpha matte logo. For reflection, add turbulent displace. Add CC glass. For glass, in surface, set bump map to logo matte. Set softness to 30. Height to -30. Set displacement to -500. In light, set light type to point light. Add CC Blobalize. In blobbiness, set blob layer to logo matte. Set property to alpha. Set softness to 6. Set cutaway to 3. In light, change light type to point light. For reflection, change opacity to 90%. Now add logo composition to the timeline. Add reflection media to the timeline. For logo, change track matte to alpha matte reflection. For logo, change mode to overlay. Select all compositions, pre-compose them, name it Glossy Logo. Add background smoke media to the timeline. Change mode to screen. Change logo and background to 3D. Create new camera. Create null object. Change null to 3D. Parent camera to null. For null, create keyframe for position at start. Now at end. Increase Z position value as shown. Now add the particles media file to the timeline. Change mode to screen. Now create ellipse mask over the particles. Adjust the mask feather and expansion as shown. Add tritone to the particles. Set midtone color to white. Now create adjustment layer. Now add fastbox blur. Set blur radius to 1, iteration to 1. Now add sharpen. Set sharpen amount to 20. Add vibrance. Set vibrance to 30. Add glow. For glow, set radius to 40. Glow intensity to 0.2. Change composite original to none. Again, create adjustment layer. Add noise. Set amount of noise to 5. Add curves. Slightly adjust the curves. Add exposure. Set exposure to 1. Now create new adjustment layer. Add fastbox blur. Add iteration to 1. At 1 second, create keyframe for blur radius. At start, set blur radius to 20. Now at 4 seconds, create keyframe. At end, set blur radius to 20. Now create new dark solid layer. Set color to black. Create opacity keyframe at start. At 1 second, set it to 0%. At 4 second, create keyframe. At end, set opacity to 100%. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is how you can create glossy logo reveal in After Effects. This complete After Effects template is available on my web store. Check out the link in the description. Thank you.